2005 Mini Cooper automatic. It's the facelift model, so it's got a slightly nicer front end and back, obviously, and a few little additions. It's got 70,000 miles, decent alloy wheels. It's got xenons at the front, which is quite a good extra. Nice and bright at night. They're quite expensive to buy, so that's a decent extra. No damage on the front, the top, all that side, nice and straight. Nice and straight down that side. Needs a good clean. It's got a heated front screen. Inside we've got half leather, got air conditioning, heated screen, sorry again, and we've got auto dimming rear view mirror. It's got paddle shift cruise control, it's not bad, and we've got full pan sunroof with some stickers that have probably been on since new, and they need heating up, peeling off, and I think it look nicer without them. Right, this is a category N from the insurance company. On the back bumper rather, has been bumped just there. There's your bumper bar behind, so it hasn't bent that. Someone's just squashed this bit here. It'll be fixed, it'll be painted, and it'll be exactly the same. Oh, and it's broken the light, which I already bought off eBay for £20. Good old eBay. And that is it. And these retail for, well, from like 3 upwards, but not normally with any of this spec, and they got up to about 4 and a bit. Prices are all a bit all over the place, but I'm guessing this is going to be fixed back on the road, and it's going to be definitely under £3 grand, so a big saving.